Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Pay attention to this critical Shiba Inu indicator. Major losses incoming? Shib news. Shiba Inu is one of the most popular meme coins in the cryptocurrency world. Earlier this year, the option to burn Shib was implemented. The Shiba Inu burn rate has been increasing. According to Shiba Inu burn tracker ShibBurn, Shiba Inu's burn rate rose well over 1,900% in the last 24 hours. This time, 268,160,328 Shib has been sent to unspendable wallets and locked there permanently. In this video, we will talk about pay attention to this critical Shiba Inu indicator. Major losses incoming? Shib news. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Shiba Inu price action has been flirting with both sides of the trading spectrum and has not moved that much between bears and bulls. It has taken until the weekend to see a sense of direction finally, and taking these elements into account against the current volatile week in financial markets points to an issue. That issue is that Shib price action is broken, is trading on low volume, and will soon be caught up with the trading reality. While bulls want to stage a breakout and trigger a rally away from the trend line, it is strange though to see such muted price reaction as global markets were literally on fire for almost 4 straight trading days. Shib price thus has some catching up to do on reality, as several asset classes have moved sharply, while Shib price seems to be unfazed by the bulk moves that triggered markets from rolling over. One reason could be that the price action is still underpinned by $0.00001011. But do not expect that to hold against the large list of tail risks that soon will start to weigh on Shib price action. Once that happens, expect a sharp decline towards $0.00000712. And say goodbye to that $0.00001000 barrier. Even if the Shib price can trade away from the red descending trend line, the next issue arises with the 55-day simple moving average coming up as the first price cap at $0.00001245. If that one would not limit the rally, the 200-day SMA will certainly do that for the bears at $0.00001500 as it did over the summer months. In September, the Shiba community burned about 1,743,878,414 Shib, using the Shib burn portal by 382 transactions. And 410,381,804,462,435 Shib have been burned from its initial supply. According to data from the Shib Burn website, within 24 hours, $267 million worth of Shib has burned, and there have been 9 burn transactions to dead wallets. On September 17th in Australia, Shiba Eternity was in circulation for the first time. The Shiba Inu increased by almost 7% on September 17th and 18th. However, recent details on the game's launch may boost excitement. Moreover, there is no significant change in the Shib price. Today, Shiba Inu was trading at $0.000011, with a 24-hour trading volume of $280,760,792, and Shib has a market cap of $6 billion, as per CoinMarketCap. According to the official announcement, the much-awaited Shiba Inu game will become available worldwide a week from now. Shiba Eternity, Shiba Inu's collectible card game, will become available worldwide starting from October 6th, 2022. The ecosystem's lead developer, Satoshi Kozama, said he would release the game's lore and plans on October 1st, 2022. The Shib team had indicated in a September 23rd Twitter Space event that Shiba Eternity's download day would be October 1st. Despite the change in download day, the community would still hope to push Shiba Eternity to the top ranking of all apps on the App Store, bringing huge exposure to the card game. Shiba Inu's card game allows users to switch between waging epic card wars and perfecting their deck building skills. Currently, the game's developers organize an ongoing trailer contest. Contestants are to shoot a 30-second video preview of the app. According to the organizers, the contest's winner will receive $5,000 worth of Shib tokens. Meanwhile, recent data from crypto analytics firm WhaleStats states that Ethereum whales are still accumulating more Shib tokens as it remains their favorite token to purchase. Transaction volume on Shib tokens rose to about $23.50 million on September 28th. If the Shiba Eternity's download day's expectations are achieved, SHIB's price could increase further. In a series of messages shared on Twitter by Lucy Sazinkova, aka Gossip Shib, Shiba Inu's lead developer Satoshi Kusama revealed new details of how profits from the Shiba Eternity game will be used and the role of Shibarium. According to the pseudonymous developer, a portion of the profits will be invested to support the community long-term. Additionally, he asserted that a part of it would be sent to non-profit groups working towards good causes with nothing expected in return. While the developer does not specify the percentages for these projects, he asserts that no less than 45% of the proceeds for the game will be allocated to them. Combined with the other 5% that the Crypto Basic reported will be set aside for burns, the community knows how 50% of the proceeds will be used. However, Kusama says how the remaining 50% of proceeds will be utilized will be a trade secret that will be used to ensure that the game fares well against the competition. Notably, the community will vote for startups they want the network to invest in via Doggy DAO, meaning Bone will be used to vote. Meanwhile, Kusama notes that to reward Shiboshi holders will be able to lease their Shiboshi to players of the blockchain version of the game to earn rewards. Moreover, Shiboshi holders who cannot lease their holdings will still receive consolation prizes. According to Kusama, all of this will run on Shibarium. It bears mentioning that Kusama has finally revealed the lore for the card collection game. It notably features stories of interplanetary battles and evolutionary species. Additionally, the developer further noted, as highlighted by Gossip Shib in a separate tweet, that the game is open-ended. Consequently, developers can always add things in the future as the game evolves. Notably, the Shiba Inu card collection game has been launched in 3 countries, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Australia alone for now. However, it has achieved a rating of 4.9 out of 5. As reported by the Crypto Basic at the end of the last month, the new launch date for the game is now October 6th. About 3 days from now, Kusama continues to implore the community to download the game en masse on the launch day. The new upgrade to the Shiba Inu ecosystem is supposed to provide scalability and cut gas expenses for everyone, particularly on the gaming side. This is great news for the community and should help to make the platform even more popular. It is difficult to say whether or not this will be enough for the coin to rally. The recent increase in interest rates and the news of worsening year-over-year inflation have caused investors and traders to dread. The price has decreased from 25.06% from its latest peak on September 10th. This worrying trend could signal further economic trouble down the road. It is expected that the token will experience a relief rally, which the $0.00001038 price range will support. This range represents a significant increase from the token's bottom on September 21st, indicating that the market is starting to recover. The last decline at $0.00001192 represents the resistance. This level is critical since bulls can easily exploit any breakthroughs towards the 78.60 fib level. If the bulls can push through the resistance, it could signal a further price increase. The SHIB token is based on Ethereum, so its value is subject to the volatility of the Ethereum ecosystem. This volatility can be magnified in current market conditions, leading to a crash in the token's value. The financial markets have been declining recently, but if they rebound soon, we can expect SHIB to do well too. SHIB is a reliable indicator of market trends, so if the markets start to improve, we expect SHIB to follow suit. This is good news for investors and the economy as a whole. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.